Hello guys, it is fifth video of my resolution. As you know that I have taken a resolution in which I will upload daily video for my English practice up to 60 days, means 2 or 3 months. And my today's topic is poverty due to many unemployed peoples. Many means all those who are unemployed and still they are educated, including me also guys. So yesterday I have also uploaded a video on some topic. You can watch that video too. So I am starting my today's video with the topic that poverty due to unemployment. Nowadays unemployment is a necessity for everyone, because anybody who takes his education and he done his graduation or takes many knowledge, but this knowledge is nothing any useful before he don't take any job or he start earning, because as we know gradually everyone want to earn, that's why they take their education. But in today's scenario education is also not the way which gives knowledge. It's really a piece of paper that we can call result. So there is nothing can be judged with the results and its percentage or percentile, because in many states or in many boards like MP board and I don't know some other state boards are there, people through their 12th, that is board exams, people started cheating and teacher also helps them in doing this. I don't know, with the help of the piece of paper from 80 percentage, 90 percentage or 95 97 percentage, what will they gain in their life? Because with the help of this percentage only no one can attend anything, because in the future when we go to take any jobs or do some startup it requires knowledge, but due to cheating they gain percentage but don't the knowledge. I still remember in my 10th class, in my 12th class, there were many students who even didn't purchase their course but they attained 65 to 70%. That was enough. They are very brilliant in the term of their results, but in term of their knowledge I already told that they even didn't purchase their course. So the education system of India is not well as we compare to the other countries. That's why in our country many people go to abroad for their future studies or their further studies, and in India the results and the value of the grades from other countries or abroad countries is much higher than the Indian companies. But still here there are many good schools or colleges which requires knowledge only, and they takes admission on the basis of their percentile, interview or many things. Like in Delhi there are many colleges, many schools which takes admission only on the basis of the percentile attained by the students after giving their internal exams and what criteria they think. So due to this many only the people those who have much knowledge and they really studied very hard, not the students who attend 90% 95% with the help of cheating they gain, they take their admission and due to this they learn many things in that college and they increase their knowledge. After that they directly appointed from their college to many companies, and also they starts many setups after doing many studies on the particular area or particular subject. So in this way they get employed. But today I am talking about the people who just take their percentage with the help of cheating and all, and they don't get job or many things, like they don't earn, they just do their wages or daily household works to live their livelihood. So above poverty is getting increased in India due to many reasons, but in the terms of money in India only 95% people 5% people have 99% money in our India. So it's a very bad what can we say, it's very bad data, and 95% people don't have even a 1% of money. So we can say that in India the people who are poor they are too poor, but the people who has money they have lot of money. So due to the poverty many people don't contribute in the many fields, like they cannot donate money to the charities, and they cannot even live their livelihood very well due to the lack of money. And the reason because their lack of money is they are unemployed. They only earn a basic livelihood so that they can earn only the money from which they can live their livelihood. They can only do their basic activities like they can eat, they have shelter, they have clothes. Even they can't teach their children in a well or in some popular proper institution in which they can gain knowledge. They can only admit them to the government schools, government colleges, or some schools or colleges which have not lot of knowledge, but they take admission only on the basis of percentage, and the percentage from taken by the cheating and all. So there are also many reasons for poverty. The main reason of poverty is education, because in India not all peoples are educated, but nowadays the scenario got changed. Many people are educated, and they initially giving forced to the education to their children. If we compare to the 20 or 30 years before, people's just thought that education is wasting of money, but now today's world people think that education is the most important thing. Due to this they can earn. Even uneducated people cannot enjoy its religious and its festivals, because if he have to do some dharmic works like he have to do some puja and all, then also he need money, but he even don't have money enough to leave his to do his activities which he want. He only can do the activities which essential. So how can he celebrate all the festivals? How can he improve his religious? And he cannot do the work in their religious also. So the people who have money, who are earning, and many people who don't earn have lot of difference. The people who earns can do many things what they want to do in their life, and what their children want in their life. So if we think, there is a lot of phrases in India like the people whose parents are educated and has done some things in their life, they can earn lot of things. The children will also learn lot of things, and they will guaranteed get many jobs. But in India, many people who just earn their wages and have don't lot of money, they cannot earn many things, and their children will also be like they will also not able to do many things in the life. They will just rely on their basic essential needs, and they will take some their works for only which they can live their livelihood. So in this video I want to say that employment is most essential thing in today's world. So we should take a good education nowadays, not a lot of big educations, lot of which institutions are needed to get or to obtain much knowledge. In today's scenario we can just gain knowledge with the help of online education and all. So it's about the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will come with tomorrow with a new video. I don't know the topic on which I will speak tomorrow, but I will find a topic at night, then I will speak on it on tomorrow's video. Actually it's my starting, so I am getting hesitate, but I will try to upload daily videos or regular videos so that my hesitation will decrease automatically. And many teachers also said, even Sandeep Maheshwari sir said that if we do this process, even we speak in front of not only camera but also like mirror, then we can improve our conversation skills, and we can also come on to our hesitation, means we can get low nervous and this all. So I am trying this to decrease my nervousness, because I am not native speaker and I have not enough knowledge or enough vocabularies so I can introduce new words in my old videos. I have just very low vocabulary, so I am trying to do with my level best, and I am trying to do much harder with the vocabularies I have. So this is all about today's video, guys. Bye bye.